folks, this is Adam Oliveris again with another demo of the now 4-week project for cloning the Airbnb site. So we'll just jump right into it. Up on the page here, we have the new landing page thanks to Neely. What I'll do is scoot us down to the bottom of the page because I'm responsible for the footer component. So the footer component is just the basic bare bones footer component, the thing that you would expect to see at the bottom of every website at this point. There are just the basic CSS tweaks that allow for clickable and floatable links down at the bottom. There's also just the copyright information and a few icons that you normally see down at the bottom. So just basic CSS, most of it is Flex. Flexbox, that's what I was using for that. But you'll see here that there's one more component that is going to pop up as soon as we are inside of one of the actual listings. So if we click on a listing and head down to the bottom of the page to see the footer again, what we'll notice, once we have the data populate, what we'll notice is that now there's a little piece down at the bottom here that's also part of the footer. It's the explore other options in the area. So we'll see that South Dakota is something that is populated from our data in the back end. So we have a few more things that are clickable that would be filled out with more data for the rest of the site. And because there are no other listings in our database right now for South Dakota, we actually get this blurb down here. We are currently looking for more hosts and locations in this area. Join our family. And you would click on that and be able to join and become a host if you would like to. But if we go back and instead of South Dakota, select something from the database that I know we'll have a few more for, so we've got a few California listings. If I click on this guy here, and also wait until we've got the page populated with our data, and head down to the bottom of the page, now it says explore other options in and around California. And now we've got the other listings here. So if I hover over California, the popover tells us there are currently 3 other listings in the state, and those 3 other listings are down here. And these are all clickable links to the next spot. So I believe the one that we're on here is Marina Del Rey. Yeah, so Castle in the Clouds, Marina Del Rey. So if I want to check something out in Pacific Palisades, I'll just go ahead and click on that. And here is Buddha's back porch on Pacific Palisades, which looks gigantic, but you know, it's Buddha. So again, coming down to the bottom of the page, and now it shows the other listings that are available. So the one we were on before was Marina Del Rey, and so now all 3 of them are populated here. So for that, I just had some logic that I needed to sort out inside of the component TypeScript file. That specifically was the get same state locates is what it's called. And what that does is calls on a service that hits our backend and receives all of the locations. That comes back as an object containing objects. So what I do is dig into that with the object.values, and then from there I can filter that array, the LR array, so that way I take the same state territory from the database, but I do want to be sure that I don't have the same ID that I'm currently looking at. So when we refresh each of the pages, that's how we make sure that down at the bottom of the page, it isn't the same listing over and over again. So that way our customers are getting the real information, the real data, without any doubles. So that's basically what I did this week. It was a heck of a lot of fun to dig into the code, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little demo video. Thanks.